Go along with those. Kind of the same thing. Let's see what's up with these in person. These KDs also. Crazy Club Palace. Club Foot Locker out here. What do you guys think about these Air Forces? Something definitely new. Looks like the bottom will glow in the dark, but I don't think it does. The leather on here looks pretty dope. If you guys are copping these, let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. What up? What do you think about these right here? Copper Pass, snakeskin. To me, I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. Crazy, right? And then of course you guys already seen these before. Let me know, these just came out today, but somehow I had them like 3 weeks early. Let me know what you guys think about these KD Gold Splatters in the comment section below. South Beach colorways and everything. Everything. You guys copping any of these, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. You too as well. So I got what I came here for. Now we're gonna get back to the crib and do a review on these things. I guess I kind of gotta be low key at this Foot Locker. I guess they kind of trip on people recording. Before it was cool, but now all of a sudden they like be saying stuff all the time. It's kind of weird because I'm lying, as you can see. But we're gonna get back to the crib now, edit this video, show the review. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe, you dig?
So some new J's came out?
Kyrie's. Yeah. Yeah, we bought that Kyrie life. That Kyrie life, you feel me? Hold it though. Nice. How much closer can you get to it? Right here. What would it be without me grabbing a Jamba Juice, right? Now, what's good, YouTube? Your boy Bosco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We out here checking out these latest from Nike and Kyrie 4, these Halloween edition shoes, man. You might have seen pictures of them. Might have seen a couple other people get them because they were supposed to be released today, or actually Saturday, but they moved the release date around, I guess depending on where you're at. But out here in LA for me, they released today, so we went by and picked them up. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section below. Of course, smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Leave comments, as I said, share the video. And if you are new to the channel, you gotta subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell to be updated on every single thing your boy Bosco drops. Without further ado, let's get into this box. You dig? Okay, as you see, it's a typical Kyrie 4 box, size 13. The official colorway is black and rage green. So that Leon green is actually rage green. I thought it was gonna be like a Volt, because that's what they've been running with them lime greens, but I guess this is a rage green, so I don't know. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see what these bad boys is looking like up close and personal. These are pretty cool, bro. I'm not even gonna front on you. These are pretty cool, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys in the comment section. Let me go ahead and get this other shoe out the box. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes, man. They're definitely something the same but different for Kyrie. I like how they added a little detail to the Nike check. The swoosh has like the rage green slime dripping off into the midsole onto the outsole, which is pretty dope. You know the Kyries always do it with the outsole. It's one of my favorite parts of the shoe. I like how it always just, you know, stands out on the shoe, comes up onto the midsole of the shoe so you can still see it. And it just looks dope, bro. The technology they use on this shoe is fire. Kyrie 4 is a very good shoe. Definitely maybe I would say the best basketball shoe for 2018 for sure. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. I've been hearing good things about the PGs. I've been hearing good things about the LeBrons. So let me know what you guys feel is the best basketball shoe of the year. I have not been able to play in these. I have got a lot of reviews that say that for me. I had torn my Achilles tendon. If you've been down with the channel for a while, then I tore my Achilles tendon, so I have yet to play ball until maybe like December. So I won't be doing any performance reviews, but I've heard a lot of good things about this shoe. Let me know your details and feedback on the shoe. If you guys own a pair, how do you guys like it? How are they holding up for some of you guys who might have bought your shoe a few months ago? But these are dope, bruh. It's all black with the black back panel is suede. It's like a soft suede with this plastic Nike check with the Rage Green slime dripping down, like I said. Rage Green coming up on the midsole from the outsole. Outsole is all black, all Rage Green with the black zigzag. And what's really unique and dope is how they have like the slime kind of dripping down on the back of the shoe, if you will. So you got it dripping from the Nike swoosh to the midsole. Then you got this dripping from the top of the shoe down to the heel of the shoe. Very, very dope. I like the details of the shoe. You got suede panels on both sides, Nike checks that are plastic on both sides. The Kyrie logo has some Rage Green slime dripping down it, so it's half black, half Rage Green. Back panel is pretty much just straight black. Dope shoe, bruh. On the 1 to 10 scale for me, however, I probably get this like a strong 8. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is. I think it's a dope shoe. Okay, on inside of the tongue only has Rage Green, but the collar is like black with the silk. I didn't really notice that. My fault for not pointing that out. I'm just not sure, bruh. I mean, the shoe is dope. I like the hints of the Rage Green popping up on the shoe. You know what I mean? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it. How would you guys rate this shoe on the 1 to 10? Is this something that you would definitely cop, pass, wait for maybe to hit the outlets? This is a good Halloween themed shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section below. And if you saw the video earlier today, I was wearing some other shoes in spirit of these shoes, now that you know what they are. And just tell me your thoughts on these, man. A little dusty because oh wow. Okay, maybe you guys can see that. I don't know. Rage Green. This is probably like the Volt Green though. Penny Hardaway. You know what I'm saying? Classic shoe. But I wore these today in commemoration of these because we was copping these today. Gonna rock these today or do a review on feet. And of course, you're gonna get them up close and personal highlights like your boy Bosco does. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section too. We're gonna get a video on these bad boys for those of you who are into pennies. But we talking about these Kyrie 4s, man. The Halloween edition. I'm not sure the exact name of them, but I know they're a Halloween themed shoe with that Rage Green going on. It's your boy Bosco. I've enjoyed the video. I enjoyed spending it with you guys. Hopefully you guys did. If you did, smash the like button, share the video, so more people out there in the universe can see your boy Bosco. And without further ado, let's get to these highlights of the shoe, which is the up close and personal details of the shoe, as well as the on feet. I'm out of here, man. See you guys later. Peace.
Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Blast that shit back if you blasting.